This is Atarian News Channel, the only place where the tech is hot and the jokes are mostly lukewarm. Today we're putting our daily news aside for something very special. Apple just dropped its yearly flex at WWDC 2025. And oh boy, they did not hold back. Well, let's kick things off with what Apple is calling their biggest visual glow up since iOS 7, introducing the all new liquid glass design. Think futuristic glass, translucent, dynamic, and slightly smug about how pretty it is. Icons shimmer, windows morph, and control center now adapts like it read a meditation book. It's like your iPhone drank collagen water and got a skincare routine. Next up, Apple Intelligence. That's right, they're doing AI the Apple way. Sleek, private, and making your phone smart without sending your every thought to the cloud. We've got real time live translation in FaceTime, messages, and even on the phone. On screen interaction, tap an object in a photo and ask, "What is this cursed salad?" And boom, kale. And yes, Genmoji. You can now generate emojis. So go ahead, summon happy crying llama on a skateboard if that's your vibe. Also, Siri is not dead. She's just being retrained. Think of her as going to AI college, magna cum data. Apple is done with the iOS 17, 18, 19 drama. From now on, it's calendar years only. Welcome to iOS 26, along with Mac OS, Tahoe 26, Watch OS 26, and so on. One, call screening that tells you if the incoming call is a scammer or is your aunt asking why you're still single. Two, Game Hub brings all your Apple Arcade titles and Game Center stats into one place, aka a cozy corner for mobile procrastination. 3. Messages gets polls, custom conversation backgrounds, and AI summaries for those group chats you always mute but still feel guilty about. The iPad continues its identity crisis as a MacBook in disguise. Now, with a top menu bar, smarter files app, and actual multitasking that doesn't feel like juggling flaming meatballs. Plus, the journal app comes to iPad and Mac, so you can write about how iPad OS still refuses to just be Mac OS. Speaking of Mac OS, meet Mac OS Tahoe 26. It's pretty, it's translucent, and no, it's not a resort. There's now a full phone app built in. So, yes, your Mac can now make calls, which means you're one step closer to never using your actual phone again. Watch OS 26. It is all about new gestures, more health stats, and a workout buddy AI trainer. Finally, someone to guilt you into a plank at 7 a.m. tvOS 26, well, it's about personalized AirPlay setups and region based screensavers. Yes, your Apple TV is now worldly and sophisticated. Vision OS 26, it's like the Vision Pro got special widgets, PSVR 2 controller support, and even better accessibility. It's like Ready Player One, but with slightly better than health insurance. AirPods can now be used as a remote camera shutter. Selfie game is equal to upgraded. Safari is blocking trackers like a privacy ninja, and developers, Xcode 26 has AI assisted coding, Metal 4 for better game graphics, and tools for integrating Apple Intelligence into apps. AKA, devs, it's your time to shine. To wrap it up, developer beta out now. Public beta drops in July. Full release coming this fall, probably alongside iPhone 16, which I am guessing will come in titanium, invisible, or existential crisis gray. That's your WWDC 2025 roundup. Apple came in hot with liquid glass looks, surprisingly restrained AI, and just enough flair to keep the fanboys tweeting. If you like this video, smash that like button like it's a safari and pop up. Subscribe for more daily tech bites and this Ataria News special. See you tomorrow for your regular dose of news, weirdness, and whatever Apple does next.